Super Kids Club. Student Book. Unit 22, page 26. Listen carefully and follow my directions. When you hear this sound, your teacher will pause this recording so you have time to mark your answer. Look at the puzzle pieces next to tick.
Hi, Annabella. What's up?
Hi, I have a new jigsaw puzzle word game. Want to play?
What's a jigsaw puzzle word game?
How does it work?
Each puzzle piece has a letter on it. See? I'll put down some pieces and leave a space for another piece. You each get a puzzle piece with a letter on it, too. Then you try to fit your puzzle piece in the space I left to make a word.
Okay, let's try it.
Yes, Annabella. Hot Rod, Elf, Lily, and Tick and I are ready to play.
Okay, I'll put down P and T and leave a space between them. Who has a piece that will fit in that space?
I do. If I put this piece between the P and the T, I can make the word pot.
Pot?
Yes, like a teapot.
Tick made the word pot. Pot. Write the lowercase letter for the middle sound of pot. Now look at the puzzle pieces next to Hot Rod.
Hey, I have a piece that can go between P and T to make a word too.
Sure. Nobody said there is only one right answer. What word can you make, Hot Rod?
If I put my piece between P and T, I can make the word pat. Pat. That rhymes with fat, hat, and cat.
Hot Rod made the word pat. Pat. Write the lowercase letter for the middle sound of pat. Now look at the puzzle pieces next to Lily.
I can make a word too. I think if you put any puzzle piece with a vowel on it between P and T, you can make a word.
What's a vowel?
Well, some letters are called consonants, and the others, A, E, I, O, and U, are called vowels.
Oh.
Anyway, if I put the vowel I have between P and T, I can make the word pet.
You mean pet like a dog or a cat or a canary?
Yes, exactly.
Lily made the word pet. Pet. Write the lowercase letter for the middle sound of pet. Now look at the puzzle pieces next to Elf.
This is a good game, Annabella.
You're right, Elf. Hey, Annabella, can I put down some different pieces now?
Go right ahead, Hot Rod.
I'm going to put down 3 pieces this time.
You put down S, C, K.
And here's a piece for you, Annabella, and one for you, Elf, and one for each of you, Tick, Lily, and Fritz. Let's see what words you can make now.
My piece will fit. I can make a word. If I put my piece in the middle, I can make a word that means the same thing as ill.
Oh, you mean you can make the word sick. Sick means the same thing as ill.
That's right, Fritz. I added a piece to make the word sick.
Elf made the word sick. Sick. Write the lowercase letter for the middle sound of sick. Now look at the puzzle pieces next to Annabella.
I have a piece that will fit. If I put my piece in the space, it makes a whole new word.
That's great. By changing just one letter, you can make a whole new word. What word did you make, Annabella?
This word is the name of something you wear on your foot to keep it warm.
Well, the word you made couldn't be slipper. There's no k sound in slipper.
I bet the word is sock.
You're right, Lily. The word I made is sock.
Annabella made the word sock. Sock. Write the lowercase letter for the middle sound of sock. Now look at the puzzle pieces next to Fritz.
Finally, I can make a word too.
If I put my piece after S and before CK, I can make the word that rhymes with backpack.
I bet I can figure out what word you mean. It rhymes with backpack, but it starts with S. It must be a sack. Sack!
What is a sack?
A sack is a kind of bag.
Fritz made the word sack. Sack. Write the lowercase letter for the middle sound of sack. Let's check your answers. You should have written these lowercase letters. Next to tick, O for pot. Next to hot rod, A for pat. Next to Lily, E for pet. Next to Alf, I for sick. Next to Etta Betta, O for sock. Next to Fritz, A for sack.